Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and we are about to eat breakfast barely, but it is already noon. This is what we have: carnita asada with guacamole and pico de gallo, and then a salsita right here. Were you sleeping? No? What are you doing? Homework? You still have a lot? Yeah? You're digging in. Oh, I forgot cilantro, huh? Well, you don't put it on your carnita anyway, right? So we are going to eat and then I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hello guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. It's already 2:30. Whoa, it got really bright. Ooh, okay. So it is already 2:30 p.m. Let me go ahead and lower the brightness because that is way too bright. Like I was saying, it's already 2:30, but we need some items from Walmart, and also we need to go to Lowe's because our front door, the handle is acting up a little bit. Sometimes it's really hard to open it, and sometimes it's like really easy to open it. So we've decided to just buy a new one, new handle, new whatever that thing is anyway. And yeah, so we are gonna head out for a little bit and then we'll show you guys what we ended up buying. Maybe tonight I will be making cóctel de camarones and also, I don't know, fish for the kids or something. So yeah, we're gonna keep it simple. We just made carne asada this morning for lunch. So yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later. ¿Qué está haciendo? You're cleaning your weather ticks? Yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and we are gonna head to Lowe's because yesterday we attempted to go to Lowe's and it was full. There was a line because they were only letting a certain amount of people go into the store because it was Sunday, I believe. So we're gonna give it a try today and I'll take you guys along with me. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. ¿Por qué se te sale?
You have to cut it, es para que quede una seal.
Oh. Hello guys, so today we went to Lowe's because we needed to buy some paint because we're going to fix the door handle on the main door of our house. It's been acting up lately and we can't open it sometimes. So my husband bought a new one of this, a new handle. So you can see right here. And it comes with this part as well. And the bolt and everything. But, so this is how it looks before. And this is how it looks on the outside. As you guys can see, is this like weird color. I don't know what it is. So we bought a stainless one. He bought a stainless one. But I don't know if you guys can see the difference. This one is a little bit smaller right here. And we need to touch up that paint because it's going to show up a lot. So that's why we bought some paint. Let me show you guys the colors that we ended up buying. So these are the two paints that we bought. This is for the door and this is for the trim. Yeah, so this is going to be our little project for today.
My boots.
So this is the before, and then I'll show you guys the after once I'm done. So I'll see you guys a little bit later.
Ready? I'm gonna start taking it apart.
So you're gonna take it apart first.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. So this is what I am going to be touching up. So I will be painting this and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Si te miro a cara. Oh. Perfect. Eso era lo que ocupaba.
Come on.
And this is the end result. This is how it looks. This is how the new one looks. And this. So that is it for the home improvement, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.